Assalamualaikum students, this is the subject of Art and Design 1 for BS1 semester 1. Our today's lecture is the fourth and fifth element of design, which are texture and space. Texture can be understood as the surface quality of an object. Here it is written in your notes that when we mention the word texture, we immediately think of touching something. But texture is visual as well as tactile. Textures that are smooth and fine are more likely to suggest formality and elegance. Now we have 2 points here. Number 1 is texture is the surface quality. Number 2 is texture can be judged by touching or by seeing it. So we can say texture is visual as well as tactile. Now the third point says that smooth and fine textures suggest the feeling of formality and elegance. Please underline the word and focus on them. Formality and elegance by smooth and fine textures. Those that are rough and coarse have rugged and sturdy quality. Now the fourth point is that rough and coarse textures have sturdy and rugged quality. Certain textural qualities are easier to emphasize with particular colors. Dark red, emerald green, purple and gold suggest luxury and elegance of texture. Now the next point which is important to remember is that dark colors always suggest luxury and elegance of texture. The last but not the least point is that earthy colors are the neutral colors. Almost earthy colors of brown, mustard yellow, burnt orange and yellow green seem to be more suitable with less refined textures. Now the last point in our today's lecture is space. The element called space can be used to increase the size of room visually and to give room a quiet feeling of rest and beauty. Large, unadorned openings between rooms encourage the eye to explore the distance beyond, especially when the same color or material carries throughout. Here it is said about the space, that how we can increase the space in a room. As you all should know that space is the area which we get after the use of lines. In other simple words, we can say that when lines are used together, they enclose the area and that area is called space. Now here are different ways that how we can increase the space of a room, or in other words, you can say that how the spacious effect can be created. The first point says that cool or light value colors will add the spacious feeling. So the first method is cool and light value colors. Number 2 is, here it is mentioned and underlined, glass, mirrors and paintings with deep perspective. They can also make your area appear more spacious. The third one is lighting. Lighting is another phenomena which will help you to increase the space of a room. Actually all these methods will not increase the space, but they will make you feel the area is spacious. The next point is furniture on legs. Furniture on legs contribute to the more spacious appearance. And at the last, it is clear plastic furniture, which will enable you to feel the room more airy and spacious. Now these 5 points will help us to make our room appear more spacious and airy, and we can use them in our daily life to increase the feeling of the less space in more spacious element. Thank you girls, बहुत शुक्रिया.